Just push up. The push-up, amazing body weight exercise for the chest, for the shoulders, for the triceps, and some abdominal stability. But a lot of people do this wrong. Their elbows flare too high. They get that AC joint kind of impingement there. Now, when we're doing a push-up, we actually want to bring our elbows down so they're in line with the fibers of the chest. Let the shoulder blades come back, chin up a little bit, and our body is coming down as a unit. So here, I like placing my hands kind of right underneath my armpit area. Come up off of the knees, abs tight. We're controlling down. See, my elbows are coming in towards my sides, squeezing the shoulder blades back, chin up a little bit. Drive up. Think about squeezing through that chest, controlling down, driving up. Let those shoulder blades come back and move naturally and protract as we come up through the top. That is your push-up. Knee push-up. This is a modified push-up. It's still very good. I like adding this towards the end of my workout for a burnout. Now, this is taking away a lot of the resistance on the core because your knees are on the ground here, but it's still a great movement for the chest. So you want your elbows to come at a 45-degree angle so they're in line with the chest fibers. Allow the shoulder blades to come back. We're not high with the elbows. So we're on the knees. I like crossing my feet over. We're controlling down. Those shoulder blades are coming back. My chin is up a little bit. Drive through, squeeze through the chest. So you want to think about opening up a can with your hands. They're popping that open. So you're naturally turning on those lats. Squeeze through the chest. And that is your modified push-up. Ball push-up. So there's a natural contraction happening with this. As I bring my hands wide on the ball, I'm going to squeeze the ball like I'm trying to pop it, like a big zit. And we're still moving naturally through the shoulder blades here. There's a large stability component here. So I'm grabbing this ball, squeezing it beforehand. So I'm feeling my chest already. Come up, hips high, abs tight. The elbows are still coming low. Let the shoulder blades come back. Just pause on the ball. Drive through that ball. Keep squeezing it. Control down. Drive through. Ooh, my chest is working. That is your ball push-up. I hope you enjoyed this video. I'm Joey Thurman. Subscribe to this channel and make sure you get my book, The Minimum Method, the least you can do to be a stronger, healthier, happier you.